Hello, and thank you for choosing the MG3. To ensure you get the most out of your new car, we have produced this short film as a handover refresher and handy reference tool. Over the next 15 minutes, we will explore your car's basic functionality, controls and vehicle settings. We will also show you how to connect your smartphone. This is the MG3 Hybrid Plus in the Trophy specification, but much of what we look at is also relevant to the SE model. With keyless entry on the MG3 Trophy, just approach the car and press the button on the door handle. You can keep the key in your pocket. Getting comfortable is easy. These seat controls on both the driver and passenger seats allow you to optimise your driver position. The steering wheel is height adjustable and unlocked using this lever. You can adjust your wing mirrors using this joystick to the right of the steering wheel. Rotate to toggle between the left and right mirrors. Push down to activate the folding mirror function. Electric window controls for all 4 windows are here, with this button activating the rear window child lock function. To start the car, put your foot on the brake pedal and press the start-stop button to the left of the steering wheel. The indicators are on the left. Rotate to switch lights on and off, and rotate this inner control for fog lights. The wipers are on the right. Push up to move through the wiper speeds. Rotate to engage the rear wiper and rotate the other way for the rear washers. Pull the stalk towards you for the front washers. This adjusts the speed of the intermittent wipers. The multifunctional sports steering wheel allows you to navigate and change your vehicle settings whilst always keeping your hands safely on the wheel. On the left, this button activates voice command for Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. These buttons are for your car's adaptive cruise and speed limiter. We'll come back to explore these in a little bit more detail later. This button can be user-defined from the main screen. On the right, this button has 2 modes: volume control and media selection, or for toggling through vehicle information on the driver's display. This button allows you to answer and end calls, and this is another user-definable favourites button. The MG3 has 2 full colour screens, which shows you all the essential information about your car and where you can access your media and vehicle settings. Please ensure you familiarise yourself with the operations whilst parked safely. The main screen includes option for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, climate control, media and navigation. Swiping right provides further options. A clever feature of this screen is that the options can be rearranged to suit your personal preference. You also have this shortcut menu to the right of the screen. The buttons are Home, Navigation, Media, Telephone and Vehicle Settings. Let's take a look at your climate control settings, which is this tab here. You have basic controls from this front tile, but if you click through, you can fine-tune the settings. On the Trophy, you also have options for the heated seats and heated steering wheel. You can toggle between your media sources using this tile. Clicking the tile will take you into further settings. The radio offers DAB, FM and AM. You can save your favourite stations by clicking this icon. The sat-nav can be pre-configured with your home and work addresses. And you can search by address, postcode or using the What 3-word location system. This driver information display is comprised of various elements. Along the top and bottom are warning lamps and indicators. Full descriptions of these symbols are available in your owner's guide. There are further warning lamps along the bottom of the screen. To the left is active safety, with cruise and speed control settings. The speedometer is on the centre of the screen, and just beneath is your fuel gauge and current range. The right hand of the screen is your message centre. You can toggle through the different screens using the right-hand touchpad. There are screens for trip computer, power information, energy flow, overspeed alarm and service reminder, and tyre pressure readings. Connecting a mobile phone with Bluetooth is easy. With Bluetooth on your phone switched on and your device set to visible, go to Settings and select Bluetooth. You should see your device name on the screen, click on it and follow the on-screen prompts on both your phone and the screen. An intuitive experience is at the heart of the MG3, which means there can be various ways to change a setting. For example, your car's climate control can be accessed through the centre screen home, this button, or these physical buttons beneath the screen. Here you will also find a home button and additional volume controls. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are accessible when your phone is plugged into this USB port. The screen will default to Android Auto or CarPlay screen when activated. As a hybrid, your car has an intelligent regenerative braking feature, enabling it to recover energy when decelerating. Regenerative braking can take a little getting used to at first, but you can personalise the amount of braking to suit your preference in the vehicle settings menu. An advanced feature of your new car is MG Pilot, a suite of driver aids and safety features. It can be configured through your central screen. Features include intelligent speed limit assist, adaptive cruise control, and cruise assist, which features lane keep assist. There is a graphical symbol representing the currently selected mode on the driver's screen. Further MG Pilot settings can be configured by scrolling down. A description of the setting is provided here. Cruise control and speed limiter are set using this touchpad. Pushing up to increase speed and down to decrease. Press right to increase the following speed and press left to decrease. Cruise control is activated and deactivated using this button. Further information about MG Pilot can be found on the MG Motor UK website. You have further vehicle options in these tabs. The steering wheel driver favourite options can be defined here. As an automatic hybrid, your MG3 does not have a traditional gear stick, but this rotary drive selector. With your foot on the brake, rotate clockwise for drive and anti-clockwise for reverse. If fitted, you can change the viewing angle of the 360 parking camera by tapping the centre console screen. When in drive, the electronic brake will automatically disengage when you pull away. When stationary, you can activate the electronic handbrake with this switch, or press this park button, which engages the handbrake and selects neutral. This activates your car's hill hold feature, and this for selecting drive mode. Your car automatically defaults to normal mode on starting. Eco is best for fuel efficiency, and Sport is for a more dynamic and firmer driver experience. The current selected mode is shown on the driver's display. The MG3 features iSMART connected services, where you can monitor and control many functions of your car remotely using just a mobile phone app. First, you need to download the MG iSMART app from the Apple or Google App Store. Register using your email and password, and then scan the QR code on your Vehicle Settings tab. In the roof is the Emergency SOS button. Pressing it will connect you directly to the emergency services with a voice call. The bonnet lever is next to the fuel filler lever in the driver's footwell. Under the bonnet, the washer bottle has a blue cap, and these are the brake fluid reservoir, engine oil dipstick, and coolant. The fuel filler flap is on the passenger side. The button for the boot is just underneath the MG logo. Underneath the boot floor is the Tyre Inflation Kit. Please familiarise yourself with its operation by referring to your owner's handbook at the earliest opportunity. But here's a very quick guide. The Puncture Repair Kit is a temporary measure designed to allow you to get to an MG authorised repairer or a place of safety. First, make sure you are parked safely on a level surface. There is no need to jack the car or remove the wheel from your vehicle. The Tyre Inflation and Puncture Repair Kit is supplied in two parts, the compressor and the sealant. First, screw the compressor to the sealant canister using this hose. Then secure the canister to the compressor using this groove. Remove the valve dust cap from your tyre. If your car is supplied with wheel trims, you may need to remove these first. The hose from the canister attaches to the valve on your tyre. Check that the power switch on the compressor is off, then connect the compressor to the 12-volt power socket of your car. Turn on your vehicle's ignition. When connected, turn on the compressor and allow the tyre to inflate. The sealant bottle will be empty after about 30 seconds, but continue to inflate to the required pressure. If your tyre does not inflate within 10 minutes, remove the compressor, drive your car for 10 metres to allow the sealant to distribute, and try re-inflating the tyre. If the tyre still doesn't inflate, your tyre is severely damaged and you should seek roadside assistance. After successfully adding sealant to the tyre, drive immediately for about a minute to allow the sealant to distribute evenly inside the tyre. Then drive your MG for 10 minutes, not exceeding 50 miles per hour. After 10 minutes, recheck your tyre pressure when safe. If the tyre pressure has dropped to less than 0.8 bar, do not continue driving and seek roadside assistance. If the tyre pressure is between 0.8 and 2.3 bar, reconnect the compressor and attempt to re-inflate. Drive another 10 miles. If, after another 10 miles, the tyre pressure has not dropped, you may continue driving, but the vehicle speed must not exceed 50 miles per hour or be driven further than 125 miles. For a comprehensive guide of your MG3's operation, including your car's routine maintenance schedule, please refer to your owner's manual, which is available on the MG Motors UK website under My MG. Should you need a quick refresher, you can also quickly access this film at any time by scanning the QR code on the passenger side sun visor. And remember that your car benefits from an industry-leading peace of mind 7-year, 80,000-mile warranty. In the unlikely event you need roadside assistance, MG Assist is available 24/7 at 0800 072 3338. We recommend that you save this number to your phone. Once again, thank you for purchasing a new MG3. Welcome to the MG family. We wish you many years of happy motoring.